Today, we're going to be reviewing how to download your files for your offline delivery. And the email that you receive from our Nearmap support with your offline delivery, there will be two attachments. The first attachment is going to be called Instructions for Unzipping. Now, it's very important that you thoroughly read through this document as it's going to assist you on how to download everything. Within this document, we actually recommend that you download a program to use called 7-Zip. This will make it easier for you to unzip these files. The second attachment that you'll notice is going to be a plain text attachment. And this text attachment is going to be your links to the Dropbox. Each of these links will be either your GeoTIFF, your JPEG, or whatever format you received your data in. The second option on here is going to be your layout. Also to note, these delivery links will expire within 30 days. So the first option right here is going to be to copy and paste the main parent folder. We'll go ahead and copy that. And then we'll paste it in here, your web browser. Sometimes you'll get this notification that the file is too big to preview, so you'll want to hit the back button. Once you're on here, please select the parent folder to download. We'll also want to do that with however many links you do have. So right here, there's a second folder called 01. So we'll go ahead and copy that as well. One thing we like to suggest is downloading separately each folder, as they're quite large and can take a lot of bandwidth from your computer. So you'll get the same notification that it's most likely too big to be previewed within Dropbox. Go ahead and download that one as well. Now, while those are downloading in your browser, you'll want to go ahead and create a parent folder on your desktop. Right here, you can see that I've created one called County Offline Copy. This is really important to create a folder, as this is where you'll be putting the zip files into. Once those zip files have been completely downloaded from your browser, you'll go ahead and drop them into this offline folder. And you'll come into the main parent folder. This is where it gets a little tricky. You'll only want to unzip the main parent file. So you'll right click, hit the 7-Zip option, and then you'll extract it to whatever your file name is. Once we've done that, you'll get an option that shows you that they're downloading. Once the data has completely downloaded and there's been no issues, you'll see that in this file, it has created its own folder. Within this folder is going to be your GeoTIFFs, or whatever format that you have received your offline delivery in. As you can see here, these are all your images to be able to put into your online program, either ArcGIS, ArcMap, whatever platform you're using to display this. One thing we'd like to note is that you do not need to unzip any of the additional folders. We only unzip the parent folder. This is where some customers get confused. Once again, if you thoroughly read through our online instructions for how to unzip, you should have an easy time with this. If you do have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our support team. Thank you.